Dattatreya, one of the famous temples situated at the meeting of two rivers, Bhima and Amraja, known as Sangam in Gulbarga. Pilgrims visit the place from all over the country. Every day more than 100 of people visit this place. Especially during festival, approx 6,000 people visit. Datta in Sanskrit means the one that is donated. The population of Ganagapur according to recent census about 9,000, and the main occupation of these villagers based on this temple. In front of Dattatreya temple and Sangam almost 20,000 shops are there. Among those shops 1,200 are merchant retail shops. These shops they sell sweets, coconuts, garlands, photos of Dattatreya, kumkum, flowers, showpieces and dry fruits.
I have been in Ganagapur since 30 years. As a lot of people visit here every day, we earn around 2 to 3,000 rupees per day. During the festival, thousands of people visit this place, and hence our sales go up around rupees 10,000.
Inside the temple, there are more than 40 people, including children who sell patta. Also, these children put tilak to the visitors as a part of their income. Migrants from Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh sell their stuffs like rudraksh, coins, etc.
I have been working here for more than 5 years. I get all these leaves from Gulbarga, which cost me 300 to 400, and per day I sell 100 to 200 leaves. Almost 50 people are there who sell these leaves for having prasad.
साल हो गया ये धंधा करने। नासिक है महाराष्ट्र, पूरा से आते दिल्ली से लाने दिन में 500 600 1000 तक होता है। टाइम पर हो जाता है, पूरा दिन का हो जाता है 10-15 हज़ार। ज़्यादा व्यापार नहीं चलता, धंधे वाले बहुत है। नेपाल से उधर से लाना पड़ता है, कांच का माल मथुरा से लाना पड़ता है।
Transport to reach Ganagapur. Almost 150 autos are there. Passengers charges 10 rupees per head. Except auto, there are state buses, jeep, etc.
ऑटो है। हम लोग दर दिन का 3 या 4 ट्रिप ऐसा चलाते हैं। ऐसा करके अभी थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम क्या है, और यहाँ से 7 किलोमीटर हमारे चौड़ापुर बोल के है, चौड़ापुर तक जाता है उधर से, और उधर भी नंबर लगा के इधर आता है। तो हम एक दिन के लिए 200-300 रुपये कमाते हैं इतना। संगम को हम 4 किलोमीटर यहाँ से संगम, यहाँ का दत्त आंध्र प्रदेश से और महाराष्ट्र से यहाँ के लोग आता है। हम उन लोगों को है पेट पाल बोलेगा तो टेम्पल की वजह से चलता है।
Dattatreya was born to the sage Atri, who had been promised by Parameshwara. Dattatreya is one of the oldest deities. The first reference of this deity is found in epics like Mahabharata and Ramayana. Dattatreya is worshipped as the Supreme Lord who wanders on the earth taking different forms. Even today, he is believed to appear before Yogya Purush.
बहुत दूर-दूर से पूरा हमारे हिंदुस्तान के हर कोने से यहाँ पर स्नान करने के लिए आते हैं, आके और पवित्र हो जाते हैं। यहाँ पर एक तो अनुष्ठान होता है, ज्ञान प्राप्त होता है, और एक अपने व्याधि जो शरीर के जो कुछ दुख संकट होता है वो भी दूर हो जाता है। इधर पारायण कर रहा हूँ, कुछ अनुष्ठान कर रहा हूँ। मेरे को बहुत, मैं कम से कम यहाँ से 45 साल से आता हूँ, अनुष्ठान करता हूँ और मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लाभ हो गया है मेरे जीवन।
Ganagapur Panchayat yearly they collect 40 lakh taxes from lodges, shops and hotels.
During festivals, we have more than 6,000 tourists. Because of tourism, this village is developing. Businesses are rapidly increasing over here. Earlier, this place was called as Ashtir. Today, even this place has developed. In the banks of the river, there are dharamshalas and temples. We serve meals at bare minimum rate. We called it as Dattana. From this place, you will be able to catch buses to Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, Mumbai. From Panchayat, we provide water facilities and maintain cleanliness. In our Panchayat, we collect taxes worth rupees 1 lakh from those shops and distribute it to 29 staff members as their monthly salary.
According to Panchayat, 50% of the villagers bet on this temple business.